Welcome to Pramit's Toy World. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox 4 Kinder Joys. Oh my god, where should I start? Here, where? So let's start with this one, okay? And please like and subscribe. To the like button and to the subscribe button. There should be the to them, okay? Thank you. So let's start with this one. Looks like taking a bit of my muscles. You take my muscles, you get my muscles. Wow, I get an alligator. I think it's an alligator. I think it's like... Let me see the manuals. I don't understand. Okay, so the back bit over here, like that, and this, they go. Okay, that is done now. Then after that, this is right. Technical difficulties. Pause. Okay guys, so after a very long time, after with a bit of work, we actually made it. And it looks like a crocodile. Amazing. It's just kind of like a lobster, I don't know. But let's leave it. And now let's go to our trip in Nattons. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3. That was easy. I thought it was extremely hard, but it just got ulta. Okay, let's start with our first Nattons. I can't wait. What could it be? Question mark. Kinder Joy, whatever it is, it's a question mark. Don't know why my muscles are not like that. Oh. Oh, what is this? Oh, I think it's a flamingo. Flamingo. Yes, it is a flamingo. What? Okay, so we take a flamingo and put this onto this and like there. And then like just, that was easy. And just put it inside there. Now I think it's supposed to, yeah, it moves its head. Wow, amazing. These are the toys so far. Amazing, right guys? And make sure to like and subscribe again. I am telling. Kind of hard to open. Okay, let's open this one as well with it. It's like a double unlocker. Okay. What is this? I think it's a shark. No, I think it's, what is this? What? It's a dolphin! What? Okay, dolphin here and this, boom. See, it has a movement like this. It's like a surfeit. Nice, amazing dolphin. I love it. Now this is gone forever. Bye bye. Now the last one. Amazing. Hope it's something cool. I think it's a lion. Or I think it's a monkey. Yes, I feel it's a monkey. Okay, so I think what the this is a drawing board. It's literally written here. What? Amazing! It's like a stencil. Amazing! I feel it is actually a stencil. I love my toys for today. Like if you like this monster like lobster like something. I don't know its name. And subscribe if you like this flamingo. And do both if you like this dolphin. I really actually like the dolphin a lot. Like it's like tack tack tack. Amazing. And this is a stencil. Whoa, that's amazing. And he put the monkey on this piece, I think, like this. Yes, like a monkey board. Whee. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you